I'm also going to ask the court to take a look at how much time was spent with each and every one of the African American jurors. Once again, this isn't 1 page of notes, this is 4 pages of notes. Mrs. Hogue just went through all of that. We got down to even talking about the kids having watched this on TV and talking about questions. No other white female juror got into, well, have your kids seen it, and what did you talk to your children about, and how did you get into that? But with African American jurors, we went down this path, deep dive into their lives over and over again with 4 pages of notes, where a lot of the white females, no questions were asked. In this case, I want to point out that while she talked about the hate crime bill, she then said, the hate crime, I don't know that yet about this case. And that was something that was glossed over during that. She says that she hopes racism did not play a part in this case. So once again, this juror is similarly situated to every other juror who came in here and was asked, what do you think you know about this case? And she basically said, three men decided to take the law into their own hands to stop who could or could not have been trespassing in nearby homes. When she was asked by Mr. Sheffield about, can you assure us, basically, can you assure us that you'll be open-minded and consider the evidence? She said, yes, I'm going to listen to all the evidence. This is no different than any other juror that he asked that exact same question to and received the exact same answer. So this juror, while there was a lot of reasons, there's 4 pages of notes with a lot of time spent with this juror, deep diving into her life. And the genuineness of the list and litany is no different than any other similarly situated juror. We ask that you please reseat Juror 414. Thank you.
Your Honor, my response to that is this. Number one, that argument pretends as if the reality is not what it is. It's as if we were trying a rape case and Ms. Dunikoski would say, how come you didn't explore that more deeply with the men on the jury? The idea of being accosted, the kind of feelings that you would have about that, the kind of things that only those jurors that were women would feel. So the idea that we would be questioning jurors who made very clear statements about their opinions about this case and the role that race played in this case, as we did with a number of white jurors who had strong opinions about race and the role that race played in this case. Those are the folks that we're going to do the deep dive with.